Hi guys, my name is Didi Wong and I am the CEO of the Yes Academy. I came into the Box workshop, 3 days workshop, not really knowing what to expect, to be honest. I know that I would leave with a product in my hand, but you know, the format of the workshop was so well structured, clear, and they make you do the work when you're in the workshop, so there's no homework after you leave on first day or second day. And essentially they are creating a new source of income for me, which is in an actual product, tangible product, which I am so proud of. And now I can go out there with something in hand to show something in hand, not just digital, but something in hand where I can sell it and make a difference in the world. So thank you so much, the team at Speaking Empire. I really appreciate it. I love, love, love the Box Creation Workshop.